My people, for this rainy season, for most places in this country, I mean, I dey careful. Erosion, the way it cut they carry motor now, they carry people. You get people when they stay in valley area or place where we say the road not good, especially now when children they go school for this rainy season. I beg, may una take care of una children, oh, and may una they owe them. If anytime wanna see say rain fall, may not follow them reach school. I beg, may una they take care of una children, and they get you when they drive car. Dey careful when you see big water. When we say na erosion, not say because it no be river. Say na erosion, say you go fit pass am. I beg, dey careful. See wetin happen to this man now. But the man, but the big bottle, two of them don't go. I beg, but we dey careful. Because life not get duplicates. When you see say erosion many like that for where rain fall, nothing say don't go fit carry you go. Before you know things don't spoil. I beg, me na dey careful. Me na me share this video. I beg.